So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can solve the iPhone issue where users are not able to join the Wi-Fi network. Now for example, I have a Wi-Fi connection but I'm not able to join that certain Wi-Fi network. Let's look at what are the possible troubleshooting steps. Now first things first, you can just try this. So head towards your phone settings and just like enable the aeroplane mode. What this does is, it will like make all the network connections like whichever are active sleep while the aeroplane mode is on. So let this happen say for around like 10 seconds or not, and then simply disable this. Now this gives all the networks a fresh kind of life something. So once you do this, just check whether you are now able to join your Wi-Fi connection. Now say for example this doesn't work for you. What we're required to do is head towards your Wi-Fi, and here like say there's a certain Wi-Fi network which you are not able to join. Say this is the Wi-Fi network which you're not able to join or something. What I advise is go ahead and forget the network. So for example, like you can see a certain network, go ahead and forget this network. So once you have forgotten the network, what you are required to do is you're again required to punch in the credentials. So basically now you will go ahead and punch in the credentials. So I will just put in wrong credentials, don't worry, I mean the video is edited. Once you now try and join the network, you will see that hopefully things should work. So let's check this. I think this will now, you will see that it should get connected. So the first one was like wherein you just turned on and then disable the flight mode, and next was like forgetting the Wi-Fi network and then trying to connect to it again. Now if these two things don't work for you, what you can also do is always focus on the time and try tested method of resetting network settings. So you head to general, scroll down until you see transfer or reset phone. Here like tap on reset network settings, and now you're supposed to enter your mobile passcode. So once you do this, you will see you get the option of resetting network settings. So the Apple logo comes, the phone will reboot, all those things will happen. But once it does, like you will see that this method more or less works 100% of the times. In fact, it's so wonderful that this method works for not just this case but for many other bugs as well. So let this pass, let the mobile reboot, and then we'll carry on the tutorial from there. So there we have the Apple icon, the phone is rebooting. So actually the phone has started. I will just require to put in the passcode. Once the passcode is put, now you will see I can head towards this, go towards Wi-Fi, check the networks, decide to join, put in the password. Again, this is edited. I can tap on join, and there you go, it's already joined. So hopefully guys this helps. In case you are not able to join Wi-Fi network on your iPhone, these are the steps that you can try and take, and let me know whether it works or not. So do share this with your friends, and if it helps, kindly subscribe to our channel. That should be all from my side. Until next time, it's me Amnan signing off.